Warning: you might be pouring additives into your engine every few thousand miles, but most of them are doing more harm than good. In this video, I expose 5 additives that actually boost your engine's life, and the 5 that silently destroy it. Stick around till the end for saving $2,000 engine rebuild. Welcome back to All About Mechanism. Firstly, we talk about good additives. Additive number 1, ZDDP, zinc anti-wear. Common use, often found in break-in or classic car oils. How it helps: creates a protective film on high-pressure parts like cam lobes, dramatically reducing wear. Expert tip: required for flat tappet cams during break-in. After that, standard oil is enough. Too much ZDDP can clog oil passages. Additive number 2, detergents and dispersant. Common use: in quality oil blends or fuel cleaners, how it helps prevent sludge and varnish by keeping deposits suspended, keeping oil passages clean. Fix advice: regular oil with detergent pack is key. No need for extra cleaners unless you see sludge. Additive number 3, friction modifiers, e.g. moly. Why it helps: reduces metal friction, improving fuel economy and reducing engine heat. Fix advice: use only if specified or in a high mileage car. Overuse can impair parts like clutches. Additive number 4, seal conditioners. Why it helps: softens worn rubber seals just enough to stop minor leaks and reduce smoke. Great for older engines. Fix advice: use once in a while, not every oil change. Fix major leaks professionally. Now we're going to talk about bad additives. Additive number 1, ceramic and particulate additives. What they claim: fill engine gaps to reduce noise. How they kill engines: these particles clog oil filters and restrict oil flow, starving bearings of life-saving lubrication. Additive number 2, over-thick viscosity additives. What they claim: boost oil thickness. Why they kill engines: over-thick oil doesn't flow right. It chokes lubrication, especially during cold starts. Additive number 3, warranty-voiding additives. For example, Marvel Mystery Oil. What they claim: universal fixers. Why they kill engines: manufacturers may reject warranty claims if these brands cause issues, and they have. Additive number 4, high-level flushes in well-serviced engines. What they claim: deep cleaning power. Why they kill engines: aggressive cleaners dislodge normal debris and clog oil galleries, starving your engine of lubrication. These additives have 2 sides. Some revive and protect, others kill your engine from the inside. Choose wisely and your car and wallet will thank you. If this helped you pick better additives and avoid disasters, then hit that like, subscribe, and share. Tell me in comments, which additive surprised you most? Want a deep dive on one? Drop it below.